All right, today we're gonna bring a faucet for your kitchen. All right, you got it off and on, if you guys can see it. Now this is, it rotates, it stretches out pretty long, and you could bring it down slowly, bring the water down. This is rotatable, if you guys can see that. This is perfect for those that have like kitchens or working maybe your sink, and you want to make sure you get that extra stretch here. And then we're gonna actually have water drip down here right now, so we have to tighten it on. And to set up was easy. All right, just make sure you have the proper fittings first before you set it up. We set it up right now with one fitting. We're gonna connect the line, the water line there, but look at this flexible, beautiful chrome. All right, chrome look, off and on. I'm gonna go ahead and hook up our line in there and see how well it works. All right, let's take a look at the actual valve, and if you guys can see it, I'm able to move it. All right, and I'm gonna open this valve here. All right, then look at that, close it, move it, put it back however you want, adjust it, bring it to you. You could lock this one in. You can lock this one in. Look at that, nothing happens. All right, close this, open this one, wash the dishes, do whatever you want with them, very convenient. Close it, put it back, very convenient. Now this is stretchable, it's really long, if you guys can see that. And then of course you can open it up here for safety. You can always close it here, the valve, and move it towards you, against you, and you can put it back against the wall. Very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.